Okay, so right now I'm walking to my friend's house, Salo. I'm bringing this bunch of things right here because the society meeting finished at 8 p.m. and I don't have time to cook, so I thought maybe I can ask them to help me cook some stuff. Thankfully they are very kind, so they agree that they will cook for me. Today started with a very nice day in the morning, and then now just look at how scary is that. During winter it will be like 4 p.m. it will be already dark. 4 p.m. already dark. So that another update is there's nothing wrong with my GoPro. It's just that every time I speak a word, the GoPro tends to tag the word like a highlight. So why the GoPro does this is because they believe once we put in the footage into GoPro Studio, which is the GoPro's video editing app, with the video inside there with so many tags, it's like they tell you which part of the video is good. See, I don't have to explain that because this thing is very heavy now. Very heavy. Really heavy, no joke. Today marks the second day or the last day of lecture for week 3. There is no camera workshop tomorrow on Friday because we already completed that. And because of that, I'm planning to shoot a few videos and just work on my assignment for Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So the wind is very strong. Oh my god, the wind is just strong, and the leaves are just all over the place, like a very messy place. It's very normal here in Malaysia, not leaves all over the place, all rubbish all over the place. Here is all leaves. Malaysia, rubbish all over the place. Okay, so right now I'm outside here. As usual, the GoPro is acting very weird, and I'm going out to get lunch. It seems that there is no rain so far, but I just wear my raincoat and my boots just in case. And yeah, so far there is no rain, it's just a lot of wind. Look at that. Look at the leaves are really falling off. The leaves are all over the place. But so far there is no temperature change. Today is Friday and I don't have class today. We already completed the 2 sessions of the camera class, so finished already. And now Friday like that lor, free day. I already uploaded the I think I left my phone in the house, or yeah, I left my phone in the room. Shit. But I think it's okay, no need to go back and take lah. Look at that. Oh, holy shit, look at those things. Oh, the leaves flying already. Very strong wind today. I got my lunch. It's a chicken biryani. Bringing back to eat. I don't want to eat there because a lot of people I don't know, they're looking at me. So I'm going back. Look at the wind. Oh my god. Today's wind is very dangerous. It's should stay at home. Even my jacket, you see my shirt. It's too many wind. I cannot record. Better stop here later. You cannot hear me. Too many wind already. This tree is gonna die. Look at the tree. Holy shit. Look at that. Oh my god. Yeah. In the library now, and all these amazing people right here.
I'm not amazing.
You're genius. Adam is here, Jamie, Anmo. What's your name? Sorry, I didn't get your name.
Uncle, you haven't met me before.
What's your name? What? Very good. I got it here. And Anmo and Jamie, everyone. Yeah.